everybody, good morning. It is January 16th, 2022, and today's devotional is God's answer to prayer. Matthew 21, verses 21 and 22. Jesus replied, "Truly I tell you, if you have faith and do not doubt, not only can you do what is done to the fig tree, but also you can say to this mountain, 'Go, throw yourself into the sea,' and it will be done. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer." 2 Chronicles chapter 7, verse 14. "If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and heal their land." Psalms chapter 18, verse 6. "In my distress I called upon the Lord and cried out to my God. He heard my voice from his temple, and my cry came before him, even to his ears." 1 John chapter 3, verse 22. "We will receive from him whatever we ask, because we obey him and do the things that pleases him." John 16, verses 23 and 24. Truly, I say to you, whatever you ask for of the Father in my name, he will give it to you. Until now, you have asked nothing in my name. Ask, and you will receive, that your joy may be full." And at the bottom it says, God's answer to your prayer doesn't mean he must provide everything according to your shopping list. God hears every prayer and answers it in his own time, in a way he thinks is best for you. Although he knows what you need, he awaits your prayer because a relationship with you is very important to him. Sometimes the answer to prayer is yes, other times the answer is no, and often it is wait a little while. At times, when we don't hear the answer clearly, we sense a quiet contentment and peace in which we can rest assured that he knows best. He always knows best for us. Always. So, moral of this devotional this morning, I think, is as long as we believe and have that trust and faith in Jesus Christ, then whatever we ask, we got to ask. We will receive if it lines up with what his will is, because he always knows best. And that's all for this morning. I will try to get another video out today. We're expecting a big snowstorm today, so but I will try to record some and post them, so if something happens and my power goes out, you all still get the word in each day. But I love you guys, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. And check out some of my other videos and join us on the Disciple server. Links in the description. Love you guys. Bye.